What was the thing about this project that stirred your emotions that you want to be involved in it?
This is amazing project because the project said something very simple. Just invite someone to your house. Open your door, open your heart. Just make one more place. Show him your Shabbat. And as I mentioned before, to see everybody around our Shabbat table. And it's no matter what his political opinion, and it's not matter what he's religious or not, or is secular. It's more important to be together, to hear each other, to listen. I think the word is to listen to each other. So our unity, it's much more important than our religious. And that's what I think it's the main point in this Shabbat. This Shabbat is to invite one of your cousins, one of your neighbors. I think you just need to invite them to and say, come to my Shabbat dinner. It could be like Friday night, or it could be like Shabbat lunch, or anything like this. It could bring like your. I think this is why this project is so important, and this is why I like this idea, and I want to join this idea because I think it's really important in this period of bring your heart to the table, and this is much more important in this project, and this is why I join it.